This is a demonstration video of the Rayrun HDC50 CCT driver. This driver is a fully programmable driver based on the Casambi platform. Its output current, gradient time, and the current trimming features are adjustable from the Casambi app. And this is the light, and I will show you how they work together and how to control the driver from the Casambi app. Now I turn on the power of the driver. And from the app, so here I find this driver is CCT-200 milliamperes. This is a fully programmable driver, and I can change the output current of this driver. To change the current, I tap on the icon first and find the change profile. Now the app lists all the options for the driver. So it has 7 options for CCT and another 7 options for single color. For example, now I want to switch this CCT driver to a 350 milliamp CCT driver. I just tap on the 350 milliamp icon and then tap on the start update. The app will update the driver with the 350 milliamp configuration. Now we can see the light is flashing, and this is the learning process for the driver. So every time you change the light or change the profile, the driver will learn the LED light and to make an automatic adaptation to make a very smooth dimming. Now let's switch back to CCT 200 milliamp. The same operation, change profile, 200 milliamp. Then start update. Again, the driver will try to learn the LED light and make an automatic adaptation to the driver. Okay, after several flashing, the driver adapted to the LED light. Now let's have a look at basic operation of this driver. Since it's a standard CCT driver on Casambi platform, so we can adjust the color temperature or brightness from the Casambi app. The adjustment is quite simple to adjust the color temperature and brightness. So this is basic operation of a Casambi driver. It's quite simple, and we have some options from the setting menu. Let's double click on the menu, and from the parameters here we can find there's 2 customized options from us. So we can select gradient speed to faster or slower. There are 6 options here from direct to very slow. Let's go to very fast first. Okay, down and go back. Let's see. So the gradient speed is much faster than the standard one now. It's off, on. So this is the gradient speed setting. Let's have a look at another setting, is current trim. So this current trim, you can adjust the output current with fine tuning with a step of 5%. So the default value is original 100%. We can adjust the output current lower than the rated current with a 5% step, and now let's go to 50%. The rated current for the driver is set to 200 milliamp, and I trimmed the current to 50% of the rated current. So now the output current is trimmed to 100 milliamperes now. You can adjust the current with a fine tuning to any level of the rated current. And for example, I want to give it 160 milliamperes. That is 80%. So I go to 80%, and then now it's 160 milliamp. For this CCT driver, I can also use it as a single color driver. So it's similar operation. I unpair this device first, and from the nearby devices, the driver is listed here, and I change the profile again and select a single color driver. So single color 200 milliamps, start update. Then after the update, the driver will switch to a single color one. So again, it's learning the LED light, and let's see the features of single color. So for single color driver, the function is just dimming up and dimming down. And the parameter features is still there. Gradient speed, adjustable, and current trim, the same as the CCT driver. Now let's have a look at the performance of this driver. This driver is a full DC dimming driver, so that means it don't have any flickering, it don't have any PWM modulation. So it's not high frequency exempt, it's just full DC dimming. Let's have a look of this feature. And to show the light change, I will change the gradient speed to very slow. Okay. Then we can see more details about the dimming. Okay. Now I change the dimming speed to very slow. And let's see. So for the full dimming range, it's just very smooth. Turn on. Okay, turn off. So the dimming is totally flick free and it's very smooth. Turn on again. It's very smooth, very gentle. Turn off. This driver also has a very good low light performance. Let's go to a very low brightness and see how it works. Before that, I make it to a warm white and turn down the brightness level to the minimum 0.4%. Of course, at this brightness, we cannot see much from the light, but we can turn around the light and aim to the lens. So from lens, you can see the light is still very steady. So there's no flickering. It's a full DC dimming, there's no flickering. And even at this very low brightness, I turn it off and turn it on. So you can find the light is still very smooth and without any flickering. So that's the advanced low light performance of this driver. So that's a basic feature of this driver. It's programmable and it's fully DC dimming without any flickering, with the adjustable output current, adjustable gradient speed, and also the current trim functions. Thanks for watching.